How to deal with art criticism without letting it destroy your confidence. Here's what's helped me. Now, if you're brave enough to put your art out there, you're gonna get criticism and the occasional troll. Just remember, they're the cowards. They're not bold enough to share their own work or chase their own dreams. Now, sometimes criticism can be useful, but let's be honest, a lot of it isn't. Some people are just plain rude. Sometimes it comes from family or friends who just don't get it. They really think they're being helpful, or somehow they're trying to protect you in some weird roundabout way. Now, I've had friends say, "Why don't you paint something normal?" But of course you're not painting for them, you're painting for you, or for the people that get what you do and they love it. Let's face it, you probably don't like every piece of art you see either. You just don't feel the need to be rude and tell the artist. Because with art, there's no right or wrong. Now, I see work that sells for millions that I think is complete rubbish. And then there's pieces that never sell that I love. That's just how it goes. Then, of course, there's the keyboard warriors, the ones who hide behind a screen, often without a profile photo. One recently told me that I shouldn't wear red because it just doesn't suit me. Now, was she a fashion guru or a stylist? Apparently not. Others have said my art looks like a child painted it, that people just don't get abstract work. They all sound very confident for people who never post anything themselves. So what can you do? First, remember that every artist gets these comments, and because we're human, the negative ones always sting a lot more. Now, one I'll never forget began with, "I can't imagine why an artist would waste their time producing this awful stuff." It went on from there. I replied, "Go and find an artist you like." But of course she didn't, so in the end I had to block her. Now, it hurt for a bit, but then I decided I should use it. I posted about it alongside a painting from my Doubt series, and it started a good discussion. That's when I realised that criticism can actually fuel creativity if you let it. And that's what this piece, the one you've been watching me paint, is all about. It's part of a new series called Not My Collector. Each painting is paired with a fictional critic inspired by real comments artists get online. It's a satirical look through the eyes of the people who don't get it, the people who are never going to be my audience anyway. And they're definitely not my collectors. Criticism used to really bother me. Now I'm going to take it as a sign I'm doing something that stands out. If everyone liked it, I'll probably be playing it too safe, and I'd rather make work that divides opinion than making work that's completely forgettable.